In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Trello. Trello is an excellent tool for managing projects, organizing tasks, and collaborating with your team. But did you know that you can make your Trello cards even more useful by adding attachments? Whether it's a document, an image, or a link to an important resource, attaching files to your cards can keep everything you need in one convenient place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding attachments to your Trello cards quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Trello card where you want to add an attachment. You can do this by simply clicking on the card, which will bring up the detailed view. Once you're in the details view of the card, take a look at the right-hand side. Here you'll see a section labeled Add to Card. Within this section, you'll find an option called Attachment, which is represented by a paperclip icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a menu with several options for attaching files. You can choose to upload a file directly from your computer, connect to cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox Box, or OneDrive, paste a link, or even link a recent Trello item. If you're uploading from your computer, click on the option that says Choose a File. This will open your file browser, allowing you to navigate to the file you want to attach. Once you find it, select the file, and it will be uploaded to your card. If you're attaching a link instead, you'll be prompted to paste the URL. After you paste it, you'll also have the option to add a descriptive title to make it easier to identify later. For those using cloud storage, select the service you want to connect to, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. If it's your first time connecting, you may need to log in and authorize Trello to access your account. Once connected, simply choose the file you want to attach. If you want to link a recent Trello item, you can select the relevant card or board from the list provided. This is a great way to create quick references to other cards or boards within your workflow. After selecting your attachment, click on the Insert or Attach button to finalize your choice. You'll know the attachment was added successfully when it appears under the Attachments section within the card details. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop files directly onto an open Trello card to attach them. This can save you time if you already have the file ready to go. One important thing to keep in mind is the file size limit. For free Trello plans, the maximum file size is 10 megabytes. If you're on a premium plan, this limit increases to 250 megabytes. Finally, once your attachment is added, you'll see 3 dots next to it. Clicking on these dots will give you additional options, such as renaming the attachment, adding a comment, downloading the file, or removing it entirely. And that's it. Adding attachments to your Trello cards is that simple. Whether it's a file from your computer, a cloud storage service, or even just a link, Trello makes it easy to keep all your resources organized in one place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.